Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home for top dollar right now? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you get top dollar? Hi, I'm Charlotte Trone, the house angel at Realty One of New Mexico. So let's take the quiz to see if your home passes the sell for top dollar test. I've sold hundreds of homes, so I know what I'm talking about. Here we go. When you walk up to the home, does it have curb appeal? Fresh landscape, fresh flowers, plants or trees, nice trim, or possibly even a new paint job? You need to hire someone who cares more about getting top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings. Have you done the 3 Ds? Declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean. And I mean a real deep cleaning. This means baseboards, windows, scuff marks, clean up the landscaping, change out old light bulbs, even cleaning your vent. Yes, these things matter. Are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched the holes? Have you painted the front door and the trim? Do you have neutral carpets? Are they clean? Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Does your lot compare to the one down the street? You see, all of this matters. And this is a big one, the smell test. I'm sure you don't realize this, but did you know that most people have a smell to their home? Yes, a smell. I know it sounds weird, but it's true. You have to be mindful of the smells, the cooking odors, pet odors, and have you truly compared your home to the competition? Be honest with yourself. Everyone, including me, thinks we have the best house on the block. Does your house really measure up to the competition? Is your home partially staged or fully staged with modern furniture to ensure it shows to the best of its abilities? Is your furniture outdated? So challenge yourself. Take the quiz and get a scale from 1 to 10 if you're ready to put your house on the market and sell it for top dollar. Or do you need to make a few changes? P.S. Most of us have to make those changes. If I were to sell my house today, I'd have a huge list to do.